Hello friends, welcome to our channel MZ's Best Online Tricks. We might face a lot of problems in our smartphones. In this series, we are addressing some most faced problems and their top 5 best quick and easy solutions. We have already seen the solution for internet not working while on call in our last video. If you have not seen it, click on the link showing on the right top corner to see it now. We have another big problem for this week. Mobile not showing network. Let's see the top 5 best quick and easy solutions in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates on our latest videos. Solution 1. Simple checks. Restart your mobile. Mobile network not available error can be fixed by restarting your mobile. Or go to settings, enable airplane mode, switch off your phone and restart your phone after some time. Still not able to get the network? Try the next solution. Solution 2. Remove the SIM card and put it back. So to do that, go to settings, enable airplane mode, switch off your phone, remove the SIM card and reinsert them properly. Restart your phone after some time. Check if the issue has been resolved. Still showing the error, then insert your SIM in another phone and check. This will help you to know if you have the problem with phone or SIM card. If problem is with SIM, it's time to get your new SIM card from the operator. And if the problem is with mobile, try the next solutions. Solution 3. In this solution, we will try to update mobile settings. First, we'll check the network settings. To do that, let's go to settings, SIM card and mobile networks. Tap on operator on which you are facing problem. Navigate to mobile networks and select network automatically. Even after this, if you are facing problem, navigate to settings, select mobile networks, go to data roaming, disable it if you are seeing the roaming mode is on. In case if you are in a roaming area, this mode should be enabled. Solution 4. Radio signal test. Do a radio signal test to know if there is any issue with hardware. To do that, follow these steps. Dial **** 4636 *****. You will prompted with a testing menu. Select the phone information for the required SIM. Once you have done it, go to the run ping test and run the ping test. After this, restart your phone. Solution 5. For Redmi users, go to settings, SIM card and mobile networks, go to advanced settings, navigate to mobile network diagnosis and click the test network. This will help you to most of the modern phones have this feature, inbuilt feature. Not only Redmi, you can check this option in those phones as well. It will help you to test your network signal strength, network protocol diagnosis and lot of other options. In case if you still not got the problem, try factory resetting. But remember, factory reset means that mobile data except the operating system will be erased. So don't forget to take data backup of your device beforehand. We hope you might have got the solution for your network issue. If you are still facing a problem, you need to visit the authorized service center for further help. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you. Keep your support to my channel.